It's called Susie's Pumpkin Show. Now welcome to Susie's Kitchen. I'm back, witches. Welcome to Susie's Cooking Show. Abracadabra. Wow, what? Today we're gonna make pumpkin seeds with sugar and cinnamon. Maybe I can make that into a spooky pumpkin with my own hat. Hi, Witchy. My name's Winifred. She can be Sarah. And you can be Mary. Let's get started, Mary. First, you gotta get your pumpkin. Here's my pumpkin. I've already painted this one because it's gonna jazz it up a little bit. Let's move it like this so it doesn't bump the butter. Peekaboo, I see you. Let's get our seeds out of our pumpkin. Cut a hole in the bottom of the pumpkin. Abracadabra! Wow, what? I want a spoon. Let's get out all those guts. I don't want to touch it. Hocus pocus. That's cool being a witch. Achoo! Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I forgot to put on my apron. Wow, look at that. That looks cool, but it doesn't look very cool because why do I have my hat on? Take out all the seeds from the goop. I wish I had magic all the time. Now I'm gonna work out to toast these pumpkin seeds. First, you need some melted butter. So I have my melted butter. Gotcha. Next, add your sugar. But this is special sugar. Tasty smell. It smells like maple. Oh, it is maple. I got this from my friend Lexi. But, I wish Lexi was here to help me. Because I can't get it. Oh, Mommy can pretend she's a witchy because she is going to be a helper.
Oh,
Can you help, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Can you help get it out? Next, we got to add cinnamon into our cauldron. Then we're going to smell, taste. It looks, on my finger it looks a little clumpy. It's tasty though. Set up with a spoon. So just dump it into a pan. Help me. Oh yeah, I am magic. I can make it little. Now take your little witch fingers and spread it out evenly. Can the witch have a little towel? There it is. No. Where can this go? Boop, magic. You can put it in the oven, Mom.
Okay.
You can pretend that pan is another cauldron. Well, that's cooking. Get your pumpkin and get a marker then carve it. I want that kind of.
Are you done?
Yep, because I have to make his hair. He's gonna have little hair, because he's gonna be a little baby. Ta-da! Mom and Dad to carve it. Now I'm gonna light my pumpkin. Just take a flashlight and shove it in there. Look at that. That's pretty spooky. But it doesn't make any skeletons. Well, there's a skeleton there. That name is Billy. Guess he's my favorite friend. Do you want to meet Billy? Billy, my special friend from Mama's work? He's my favorite friend. And he's my favorite spooky guy. Hi, Billy. Billy, do you like my pumpkin? Yes, I love your pumpkin. I love you, Billy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy Halloween. That tastes yucky.
Does it?
Yep. Because I do like them.
Okay.
I'm gonna... No, I'm saying boo to the pumpkin.